You don't need to build an app. You don't need to know how to code. And you don't need to be a tech genius to start a profitable business today. All you need is this: real businesses with real problems, and the right AI tools to solve them. What if I told you that you could offer services that run 24/7, bring measurable results to clients, and earn you recurring income? These services are so in demand right now that you can start charging for them even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 AI-powered services you can offer to local businesses right now with no coding, no expensive software stacks, and no fluff. These are simple to set up, powerful to deliver, and profitable to sell. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where we break down smart, scalable ways to build online income using automation and AI. If you're serious about building your own digital business, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a strategy that could change your game. All right, let's talk business. Literally, let's start with the first AI service. And honestly, this one alone could become a full-time business. It's the appointment booking chatbot. Not just some "hi, leave your message" bot. This is a smart assistant that talks to visitors, understands what they need, and books them directly into the client's calendar. Most local business websites are outdated. You land there, see a couple of photos, and if you're lucky, there's a tiny contact form at the bottom. That's it. No interaction, no automation, and definitely no instant booking. Now picture this. A homeowner visits a plumber's website late at night. Instead of a dead-end form, a chatbot pops up and says, "Hi there, need help with plumbing? Want to schedule a visit tomorrow?" The customer responds, picks a time, enters their info, and boom. Appointment booked. No phone tag, no waiting. This kind of system works for salons, coaches, massage therapists, auto shops, any service business that lives on appointments. And the best part? You can set it up with no-code tools in under an hour. From the client's perspective, it's like hiring a 24/7 assistant that never sleeps. And you charge a setup fee, say $300 to $500, plus a monthly maintenance fee of $100 to $300. If it's generating real appointments, it pays for itself fast. And if you want to scale, just duplicate your setup for more clients. Change the branding, update the calendar, tweak the responses, and you're done. It's a repeatable system you can even outsource. That's AI service number 1. Simple to set up, easy to sell, and packed with results. The second AI service you can offer is a voice assistant that handles missed calls. And it's a total game changer for small businesses. Here's why. Most local businesses miss calls every single day. Not because they're lazy, but because they're out in the field with clients or busy running the business. And every missed call, that's potentially lost revenue. Now, instead of sending calls to voicemail, which most people don't even bother with, an AI voice assistant answers instantly. It speaks naturally, gathers the caller's name, number, and what they need, and either books an appointment or sets up a callback. All without the business owner lifting a finger. Let's say a roofing contractor misses a call while up on a ladder. The AI picks up and says, "Hi, thanks for calling. How can I help you today?" The customer explains the problem, the assistant responds with empathy, confirms availability, and collects the info. Just like that, a lead is saved. And the business keeps moving. You're offering something that runs 24/7, sounds professional, and captures every opportunity. And the monetization? Even better. You can charge a setup fee, say $500, and then a monthly service fee. Some agencies even bill per minute of usage. If it costs you 13 cents per minute, you charge 26. The more the client grows, the more they use it, and the more you earn. This kind of service is perfect for business owners who are constantly on the go. Contractors, dentists, landscapers, realtors, solo entrepreneurs, anyone who can't answer every call. For them, this acts like a digital receptionist that never sleeps. And you don't need to build anything from scratch. There are tools that let you create and customize these voice agents in just a few minutes. Pick a voice, add the business details, set the goals, and you're good to go. If you've ever hated leaving a voicemail, imagine how your client's customers feel. This turns that frustration into opportunity, and that's why it's so easy to sell. That's service number 2. Reliable, hands-free, and working even when the phone rings at the worst possible time. The third AI service you can offer is an AI-powered social media manager. And this is easily one of the simplest wins when working with local businesses. Here's the deal. Every business knows they should be active on social media, but almost none of them actually post consistently. They're busy running the business, and social media becomes that thing they'll get to later. That's where you step in. With AI, you can generate post ideas, write captions, create images, and schedule everything for the month in just a few hours. You become their silent marketing engine, keeping them visible without them lifting a finger. Let's say you walk into a local bakery and say, "I'll post to your Instagram 3 times a week. Photos, captions, hashtags, stories, all branded and consistent. You focus on the baking. I'll handle the rest." Chances are, they'll say yes on the spot, because they don't need viral content. They just need to show up and look professional. That's what builds trust, keeps them top of mind, and brings customers through the door. And the best part? AI makes it ridiculously efficient. You can write an entire month of captions in minutes, generate custom images or quote cards, and schedule everything using free or low-cost tools. It's streamlined, scalable, and profitable. In terms of pricing, you can charge $300 to $500 per month, or more, depending on how many platforms you manage and how custom your content is. You can offer packages for Instagram only, or bundle Facebook and Google Business too. Totally up to you. Want to level it up? Give your clients a simple onboarding form where they share their brand tone and preferences. Then you send them a monthly preview calendar for approval. Easy for you. Zero stress for them. Before you know it, you're not just a freelancer, you're their digital marketing partner. This service pairs perfectly with appointment bots and voice agents. Together, they create a full system that keeps your client visible, reachable, and consistently booked. That's AI service number 3. High value, low effort, and built for recurring revenue. Service number 4 is all about reviews. And if you think reviews aren't that exciting, think again. In the digital world, reviews are currency. They're often the first thing people check before choosing where to eat, who to hire, or what company to trust. The problem? Most local businesses know reviews matter, but they're not actively collecting them. They don't have a system in place, and they're definitely not replying to them consistently. That's where you come in. With an AI-powered solution. This service has 2 simple parts: collecting reviews and replying to them automatically. To start, you help the business pull a list of past customers, names, emails, phone numbers. Then, you plug that into a system that sends friendly, personalized messages like, "Hi, Sarah. Thanks again for choosing us. If you have a minute, we'd love for you to leave a quick review." It's simple and it works. Because most people just need to be asked the right way. Then comes the AI magic. Once reviews start coming in, on Google, Yelp, wherever, AI steps in to reply. And not with generic thanks messages. These replies sound personal and real. If someone writes, "Our kitchen looks amazing," the AI might respond, "We're so glad you love it. It was a pleasure working with you." Now that's how you stand out. Even better, replying to reviews improves local SEO. Google sees it as a sign of engagement and trust, which means better rankings, more traffic, and more customers. In terms of monetization, this is a no-brainer retainer offer. Charge a setup fee, then monthly recurring to keep everything running. You can even combine it with your chatbot, voice assistant, and social media services to deliver a full digital presence. Most business owners have never seen this done. Don't believe me? Go to Google Maps, pick a few local businesses, and check their reviews. Most have no replies, or just 1 or 2. Offering this puts you ahead immediately. It's simple, effective, and builds long-term value for your client. That's AI service number 4, review boosting and reputation automation that makes your clients look polished, trustworthy, and always on top of things. And now, service number 5, the Instant AI Website Builder. This is the perfect entry point for clients who need a stronger online presence, but don't have the budget for a $5,000 custom build. The reality? Most small businesses either have outdated websites or none at all. And that's a big problem when nearly every customer is Googling before they buy. Now, with AI, you can generate a complete functional website or funnel in minutes, just by entering a few details like the business name, services, and industry. The AI creates a clean layout with service sections, testimonials, contact forms, and clear calls to action. You just personalize the colors, upload a logo, maybe swap in some real images, and it's ready to launch. It's fast, simple, and a massive value add. You can offer this as a low-cost setup, anywhere from $300 to $700, or bundle it with hosting and monthly updates for $50 to $100 per month. It's an easy yes for any business that wants to upgrade their online presence without breaking the bank. Even better, it opens the door for upsells. Once the business starts getting more traffic or leads thanks to your chatbot, review booster, or social media work, they'll likely come back to you for more custom features or a full redesign, and you've already earned their trust. It also works as a great foot-in-the-door offer. Start with the website, then bundle in everything else you've learned in this video. Lead capture, voice AI, social content, review automation. What you're really offering is a complete digital foundation. You give them a modern website that converts, a chatbot that books appointments, a voice assistant that captures missed calls, social media that keeps them visible, and a review system that builds trust, all running together, powered by AI. And from the client's perspective, it looks and feels like a high-end agency package, only faster, simpler, and way more affordable. That's AI service number 5. A fast launch website solution that turns casual visitors into paying customers and positions you as the expert who made it all happen. Now here's why this whole model works so well. These are services that solve real problems. Missed calls, no-shows, no time for social media, no website, no reviews. You're not selling hype, you're delivering value. That's what makes these AI services so easy to sell and so sticky for long-term income. And the best part? You don't need to promote any specific platform. Most of these services can be built using free or low-cost tools, or even bundled into systems you already use. What matters is that the result is clear. More leads, more appointments, more business. So if you're ready to take the next step and actually package these into real offers, I've put together a guide that shows you how to position, price, and pitch each one of these AI services, even if you have 0 clients right now. Check the first pinned comment below. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button if you got value from this video, subscribe for more weekly tips on digital income and AI automation, and let me know in the comments which of these 5 services you'd want to offer first. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Now go build something profitable.